myself, I am Sai Sripad. Here are my friends Manikanda and Sai Iswar. Manikanda think that nowadays the farmers are struggling very much to plough by tractor because ploughing by tractor money is increasing more and more.
Yes, what can we do now? Now let us find the solution for this.
Yes, we should find a solution for it.
Yes, now we will start doing the sketch for this project.
Yes, this is our project diagram sketch.
Now we will explain our model project. In this, the materials required for this project are 4 gear motors, connecting wires, batteries, battery holder, tires. That's it. Now I will show the working model of this project. Support it. When the seats are completed, we should refill the seats.